Meghalaya Governor Satyapal Malik expressed regret over the country's education system with no change in the budget allocation. Addressing a galaxy of academia at the 6th convocation of the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, Malik said that till date, only 6% of the budget is allocated for education. Contrary to the country's poor budget allocation of education, the governor said that the corporate houses in the country donate maximum amount in the field of education so that the country can progress further. He also told the students that it is not enough to just get a degree and also stressed on experiment as the right objective in the field of education. 1,333 students were awarded degrees during convocation.
अखबार वाले उसको दूसरी तरफ रख देते। मैं पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर रहा हूं। आज तक भारत की पार्लियामेंट में एजुकेशन के बजट पे बहस नहीं हुई। बजट का एक कायदा है कि जिस दिन साइंस का बजट होगा तो 2 दिन साइंस पे बहस होगी, फिर पास होगा। एजुकेशन के बजट पे कभी बहस ही नहीं हुई। और आखिर में जब मैंने पूछा, मेरे पास सारा प्रोग्राम लिख के आया कि साहब कल कोई बहस नहीं है, कल सारे मदें पास करवाते हैं, उसमें एजुकेशन और क्लब करके 5, 6, 7, 8 को एक साथ पास कर देते हैं। उसको कहना गिलोटिन करना, यानी फांसी देना। वो सारी मदों को बिना बहस के पास करा देते हैं। तो एक भारत की पार्लियामेंट ने आज तक एजुकेशन को इतना सीरियसली भी नहीं लिया कि उसके बजट पे कभी बहस हो।
All have graciously consented to you as inspired their commitments and priorities. I am sure your presence will inspire our audience students, teaching community, and many others. We look forward to your support and guidance to move forward in excellence. A hearty welcome to Padma Shri Shillong, Editor Shillong, who is the recipient of honorary degree of doctorate today, for her immense contribution in the field of media, giving not only legitimacy to the people's voice, but also for the most sensitive, thoughtful, and ethical reporting on issues related to Meghalaya and the North. A special welcome to Professor Sanjay Deshmukh, former Vice Chancellor of the University of Mumbai and Professor of Life Sciences at the University, who is the recipient of Doctor of Science, for his immense contribution in the field of academic administration, promotion of science and technology, especially analyzing problems arising out of loss of biodiversity.
तव शुभ नामे जा